Hello everyone, this is DM1993. It is a 1997 Toyota Celsior. This is being sold from our premium inventory, so mechanically it is good to go. It is a really nice car. It has the two-tone paint there, obviously, the white pearl with the tan/gray bottom. New Falcon tires on the outside. It has the tan wool interior. We'll talk a little bit more about that when we get inside, but yeah, I'm just gonna walk around, show this thing off to you. If you have any questions, definitely leave a comment below, or if you're interested in the car, you can shoot us an email directly at drivermotorsports@gmail.com. And if you forget any of that, all of our contact info is in the description. You see the ETC there, that's the electronic toll collector. Not used in the US, but in Japan it is used. So yeah, as I mentioned, this is a cloth wool. It is nice and soft. It's not slick like leather would be. Factory floor mats are so cool. Also, fun fact, we have a catalog over there that shows factory option floor mats. And those floor mats were like a $600 option back in the day. 1997 when this was new. Slick top, obviously. So we do have some owner's manuals in there. This does have the rear fog light, which is a cool option. Oh. All right, we'll check out the trunk next. Nice and tidy in here. So we have spare, wheel chocks, jack handles, plural, and a jack. Got the toolkit over here. Everything except for the batteries and the flashlight. Not bad. Backwards. Alright, and lastly, we will check out underneath the engine bay. One UZ FE engine. Nice and tidy under here. You can see the factory strut top hats there. Those are for the air ride. This is UCF21 Celsior. So factory air ride suspension. But yeah, Super tidy car. If you'd like to see anything specific or have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more behind the scenes content, check out our other YouTube channel. This one is specifically for walk around videos and inspection videos. If you guys have any questions about this car in this video, please let us know. We'd be happy to answer them. If you want to see specific things, pictures, video, we'd love to send you those too. Thank you so much for watching.